Good morning, everyone. This is Mary from Linbaymachinery. Today, I will introduce you a DIN reel production line, which is very popular, and it will be finished in these days. So this is a DIN reel. On my hand, this is one completed sheet coil. A DIN reel is a very important component in cable tree system. Also, we can produce other like cable tree, cable ladder, or strut channel in this system too. So, a DIN reel, you can see it's produced for electric cabinet, which is widely used in mounting circuit breakers and industrial equipment control inside the electric equipment racks. Okay, so a general process for making a DIN reel will include a hydraulic decoiler, leveler, and a hydraulic press system, and the roll forming part, and the final part, then the out tables. Now let's have a look at the entire whole production line. Okay, so usually each production line will start with an uncoiler. This is a 3-ton hydraulic decoiler. The biggest advantage of a hydraulic decoiler is it can keep the machine working more smoothly and more steadily. And it can help you to save more manpower costs too. And then after this decoiler, it's the leveler. A leveler is a precision machine, which is very important key point when the material thickness is over 1.5 millimeters. It is to help eliminate the rigidity and the stress and the tension on the steel coil, which is a key point that cannot be omitted due to the price. So after the leveler, here we can see there is a little limit sensor on the ground. This is for control the length of the steel coil. If it's too much, the decoiler will stop to feeding the coil, which is very important too, to avoid the damage to the machine and the coil. And then after the feeding platform, it's the hydraulic press system. And you can see there are 2 oil cylinders up above the base. Also here we can see there are 2 hydraulic valves here too. The main point of the installation configuration is for faster the reaction time of the hydraulic press system. Also, look here, this is a hydraulic station, and this is an energy accumulator. This is for the same reason, is to accelerate the time of the hydraulic system. It's to let the speed be faster. So this is a hydraulic station, and here we can see there is an energy accumulator. This is for enhance the reactor time, let the hydraulic press system being faster. And also here we can look, there is a fan here. This is a very simple configuration, like a cooling system, let the efficiency be higher. So this is the hydraulic press system. And you can see the mode is quite long compared to other hydraulic system. It can push one time and make the mold one time. And worth mentioning that this whole production line speed can be 10 to 12 millimeters per minute, which is very hard to do when we have a separate individual hydraulic system equipped. So now let's come to the main roll forming part. Here, this is a wall panel gear drive structure. The wall panel, which is very popular, is always on the range in all around the world. For it's very cheap, more affordable, and very stable too. You can see several rods support both sides of the wall. It's to enhance the capability to the heavy. And also the gear drive is very reliable. Compared to the traditional chain drive mode, it's very stable and it's more easily to maintain for our later maintenance. And after Also worth mentioning that the main roll forming part we adopt a servo feeder, a servo motor, which can make the production line efficiency much higher. Then after the main forming part, it comes to the hydraulic part. It's a hydraulic stop part. A hydraulic part can make the cut surface more smoothly and more beautiful. And also, it's a no waste cut, which means it can be very cost saving too. So this is the entire production line for the Din reel. And you may be worried about the installation of the production line. There's no worry for that. We will debug the machine before leaving the factory and make sure it can produce in time when it's boarded. And also there will be a manual of use and the installation videos provided. Also, we have 70 and 40 24 hours after-sale consultation service provided. And also our warranty time is 2 years for the whole line, 5 years for the motor power. So please subscribe our channel for our further cooperation. If you have any questions, please be free to talk to us. We are always here for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.